Is it a comet? Is it a ship? Or is it something else entirely? Tonight, we're diving deep into one of the most baffling celestial mysteries of our time, the object known as 3I ATLAS. What started as a fascinating discovery has now taken a turn that has even seasoned astronomers scratching their heads, with one prominent Harvard scientist suggesting a possibility that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction. Could this visitor from another star system be under intelligent extraterrestrial control? Let's break down the evidence and explore the extraordinary claims surrounding this interstellar enigma. First, let's get acquainted with our subject. 3I Atlas isn't your average space rock. It was first detected on its journey into our solar system, an interstellar traveler, just like the famous Oumuamua before it. But unlike Oumuamua, which was a fleeting visitor, 3I Atlas is giving us a much better look. Initially, it was classified as a comet, a giant, icy body hurtling through space. But its behavior has been anything but typical, leading to a cascade of questions that challenge our understanding of what's possible in the cosmos. The real mystery began to unfold recently. Astronomers using the Nordic Optical Telescope in the Canary Islands captured stunning new images of 3I ATLAS. What they saw was both unexpected and thrilling. The object, estimated to be roughly the size of Manhattan and weighing a staggering 33 billion tons, had started to develop a tail. Now, you might be thinking, well, comets have tails, right? What's the big deal? And you're absolutely right. As a comet approaches the sun, the heat causes its ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and a trail of gas and dust that we see as a tail. This process is called outgassing. But here's where things get strange. The way 3I ATLAS is behaving doesn't perfectly align with our models of a typical comet. The development of its tail, the specific nature of the material being shed, and its trajectory have sparked intense debate. This isn't just a simple case of ice turning to gas. The maneuver, as some have called it, is peculiar. It's this very peculiarity that has opened the door to more speculative and, frankly, more exciting possibilities. And that brings us to the headline-making theory from a very credible source. Enter Avi Loeb, a renowned astrophysicist from Harvard University. If that name sounds familiar, it's because he was one of the leading voices suggesting that Oumuamua might have been an alien artifact, perhaps a light sail. Loeb is known for his willingness to challenge conventional wisdom and explore out-of-box ideas, backed by rigorous scientific principles. And now, he has turned his attention to 3I ATLAS. In a recent paper, Loeb and his colleagues analyzed the new data and proposed a truly mind-bending hypothesis. He suggested that the tail we're seeing might not be a natural phenomenon at all. Instead, he posited that it could be the result of a deliberate action-and extraterrestrial maneuver. So, what does that even mean? The theory suggests that what we're observing might not be simple outgassing. Instead, it could be a controlled release of material. Imagine a massive spacecraft, billions of years old, traveling between stars. To navigate, adjust its course, or even slow down as it enters a new star system, it might need to shed mass. Think of it like a rocket engine, but on a cosmic scale, releasing material to create thrust. According to this line of thinking, the tail of 3I Atlas could be an exhaust plume from an alien engine, a sign that someone or something is at the controls. This idea is, of course, highly speculative, but it's not just a wild guess. Loeb's argument is built on the inconsistencies of the object's behavior compared to a natural comet. Is the amount of material being shed consistent with the object's size and distance from the Sun? Is the composition of the tail what we'd expect from sublimating ice? These are the questions scientists are racing to answer. Every new piece of data is scrutinized, looking for clues that could either support the natural comet theory or lend credence to the more extraordinary explanation. Let's play devil's advocate for a moment and consider the mainstream view. Most astronomers are still operating under the assumption that 3I Atlas is, in fact, a natural object. They argue that we still have a lot to learn about interstellar comets. These objects have formed in entirely different star systems, under conditions we can only guess at. Their chemical makeup could be wildly different from the comets born in our own solar system. Perhaps they contain more volatile substances that vaporize more easily or in different ways. This strange maneuver might just be a standard behavior for a comet from another neighborhood, and it only seems strange to us because we've never seen it before. This is the classic conflict in science, the principle of Occam's razor, which states that the simplest explanation is usually the best, versus the willingness to consider extraordinary possibilities when the data doesn't quite fit. Is a new type of natural comet a simpler explanation than a giant alien ship? Absolutely. But scientists like Avi Loeb would argue that we must remain open to all possibilities, especially when we encounter phenomena that push the boundaries of our knowledge. Dismissing the extraterrestrial hypothesis out of hand, he argues, is unscientific. The public, naturally, is captivated. The idea that we might be witnessing a controlled alien vessel entering our solar system is the stuff of dreams. The mystery of 3I Atlas has spread like wildfire across the internet, fueling speculation and excitement. And why not? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been a long and quiet one. For decades, we've been listening for signals from the stars with little to show for it, but perhaps we've been looking in the wrong way. Maybe the first sign of alien intelligence won't be a radio message, but a physical object to probe, a ship, a piece of technology making its way through our cosmic backyard. As 3I Atlas continues its journey toward the Sun, every telescope that can be pointed at it will be. Astronomers will be analyzing its light spectrum to determine the exact composition of its tail. They will be tracking its trajectory with incredible precision to see if it deviates in any way that could be explained by gravity and natural outgassing. Each new photograph, each new data point, will add another piece to this incredible puzzle. Is it a comet made of materials we've never seen before? Or is it, as Avi Loeb boldly suggests, a technological artifact making a deliberate move on the cosmic chessboard? The debate itself is a wonderful thing for science. It pushes us to refine our models, to question our assumptions, and to dream bigger. Whether 3I Atlas turns out to be a natural wonder or the discovery of a lifetime, its journey through our solar system has already made a significant impact. It reminds us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and filled with surprises. It forces us to confront the profound question, are we alone? The coming weeks and months will be crucial. As the object gets closer to the Sun, its activity is likely to increase, giving us even more data to analyze. Will the evidence point conclusively toward a natural explanation, closing the book on the alien hypothesis for now? Or will the object's behavior become even more bizarre, adding weight to the incredible idea that we are being visited. We are living in a truly remarkable time, where a question that was once confined to science fiction is now being seriously debated in the halls of Harvard. Whatever the final answer may be, the story of 3I Atlas is a thrilling reminder of why we explore. It's about the chase, the mystery, and the possibility that just around the next cosmic corner lies a discovery that will change everything we know about our place in the universe. We will be following this story closely and will be sure to bring you all the latest developments as they happen. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the mystery of 3I Atlas. What do you think it is? A natural but strange comet, or could it be something more? Let us know your theories in the comments below. We love reading your thoughts and ideas. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content about the wonders and mysteries of our universe. We appreciate your support more than you know. Until next time, keep looking up.